their bank account.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today that Eastern India has the potential to be the growth engine of our country. Prime Minister Modi was virtually addressing Bharatiya Janata Party workers during the inauguration of the Kshetriya Panchyati Raj Parishad at Kolaghat in West Bengal today. Modi today launched a scathing attack on the opposition INDIA, saying they did not want a discussion on the Manipur issue. Modi also launched a scathing attack on the ruling Trinamool Congress over the recent Panchayat polls held in West Bengal.
का एक मजबूत स्तंभ, देश के विकास का एक मजबूत इंजन, उसका पूरा पूरा सामर्थ्य हमारे पूर्वी भारत के क्षेत्र में है। वहां प्राकृतिक संसाधन भी भरमार है और वहां ऊर्जावान, तेजस्वी, ओजस्वी हमारे नागरिकों का भी एक बहुत बड़ा सामर्थ्य है।
A district level